In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to build a Framer site using artificial intelligence. After signing up for a free Framer account and logging in, your tutorial adventure begins right from your dashboard. Here you will locate and click on a button labeled New Project. This will open up several options for you, and the one you need is Start with AI. This will kickstart a new AI project for you. With your new AI project up and running, you are primed to relay your ideas to the AI. The process is simple and intuitive. You'll be asked to enter a descriptive prompt. This involves telling the AI the kind of website you have in mind. You may provide specifics, including the type of website, for instance. It could be a portfolio or a landing page, the business or topic you're focusing on, and the significant sections you'd like to feature in the site. Let's assume you're building a landing page for a mobile app named Pickleballers, which aids people in monitoring their pickleball advancement. You could detail your prompt along those lines and mention that the brand is colorful and lively. After feeding the AI with your project's abstract, it flexes its creative muscles and produces a responsive website design. It fills the site with placeholder images and text based on the prompt you provided. Now that you have a basic layout, you're tasked with making this website truly yours by customizing it. Here, Framer provides an assortment of inbuilt AI and visual tools that permit you to tweak the layout to your desired aesthetic. With the help of the Wireframer chat, you can alter current sections and add new ones by issuing commands, such as add a grid for showcasing projects. You can also finely tune the content on the site to match your brand's voice by rewriting individual sections or leveraging the AI to regurgitate certain text. However, treat this text as a draft open to further polishing. Lastly, shuffle fonts, switch color palettes, and replace placeholder visuals with your own uploaded images and assets to make the site unique and engaging. Lastly, it's time for the grand unveiling. When you are satisfied with the design and content, go ahead and publish your site under a free Framer.ai domain name. This is as simple as clicking the Publish button adorned at the top right corner of your interface. Then, pick a distinctive name for your site. Once this is done, your website goes live in real time. If you desire a professional touch, you can always opt for a custom domain by subscribing to a paid Framer plan. That wraps up our tutorial on building a tailor-made Framer site using AI. Happy creating!